Hello programmers, in this video, we are going to make a small Python program to find whether a given number is even or odd.
First, we will import math module. Now, we will start to write our code.
Now we will provide input option to user and set rem to num divided by 2. According to rem, the respective codes will be executed to show output. It's time to run the program. It's working correctly. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find any error, comment it. I have given all the code in description.